I've always dreamed of learning how to fly a quadrocopter. I decided this time had come. Yes, my main hobby on this channel is FC cars, but I think why not? Maybe I'm not alone who also want to learn how to fly. But soon I realized that flying on a regular quadrocopter like DJI it's boring and not so interesting. I understood it after I saw the guys flying on the FPV drones. This shot's amazing. I definitely realized that I want to learn how to fly FPV. In order to learn how to fly FPV you need only a remote controller and a simulator. I recommend buying a remote controller. It's not the cheapest because it will be easier to sell if you understand that this hobby is not for you. After I ordered the remote controller, I realized that I need to hurry up and order the rest of the parts that would be useful to me in the future. That's why I went to the site and immediately ordered a quadrocopter. I chose it for a very long time. After the quadrocopter, I realized that I would need a camera to record beautiful videos. I chose GoPro 10. I also ordered goggles. My choice is digital DJI Goggles. Also ordered a remote controller, TBS Tango 2. But the faster way my camera come to me is GoPro 10. Well, start with it. Camera looks so cool. But if I want to shoot cool cinematic video, I need order ND filters. Why I choose GoPro 10? Because this camera have amazing stabilization. Also, we can use Real Steady, the best program for stabilization. Okay, right now look a remote controller. With controller you can start learn how to FPV, just you need a simulator. Quality this remote controller looks cool. I think this is the best remote controller, compact remote controller on the market. Okay, right now watch goggles. This is DJI Goggles version 2. Okay, let's go try to fly on the sim. You need to connect your remote controller with your PC. Use for this USB cable. Turn on your remote controller and choose joystick. Okay, you ready to fly? Oops. First fly and crash. But it's okay, we in simulator. We can reset and start again. Little spoiler. Before I get my remote controller, I lit flying. I use DJI simulator on my iPhone. Yes, this is not same, but I spent a lot of time for understand how it works. Yes, sticks and glass your phone it's not same, but this give me with simulate in my phone I understand a lot how correct control FPV drone. But right now, first day I have many crashes again and again. I'm understood fly with gate it's not easy, and I try to fly without gates. Just empty scene simulate how I will fly on reality. In empty scene I try fly much lower how I can, and I try do this smoothly. I found a pilot and I try sit on the ground my FPV drone like in real life. But it's not so easy for first time. And I'm just crash. On the second day my FPV progress it will be much better. I can fly with gate and I see a big progress with my flying. I don't know why, but second day was much better. Yes, this is not super cool, but it's much better like first day. I found a second map with gates and I really like this too. I can fly here also much better. After 8-hour liftoff, I switched to Velocidrone. One my friend told me every 50 hours you'll get better. Okay guys, see you soon. Happy flight.